So I have gotten this water filter as a replacement for the RPWFE, which is the RFID chipped water filter for the refrigerator. This one, this is the chip here. So the original is costing close to $50 and this one came in at around $35 or $36. So let's try and see if this works. So the old filter has stopped working and it is giving this message. Dismiss. It is on water. This is the warning that it is giving, and if I try to dispense water, it gives this message. So I'm going to replace it with the replacement filter which I just got. So this is the existing filter, and to remove this all you need to do is just swivel it like this and pull it out straight. So it has come out and now I'm going to install the new one. So this is the replacement filter. Since the RFID chip is here, it needs to be facing that side. So all I need to do is just insert it here like this. Press it in and push it back. That's it. This should complete the job. Let's test it now. Okay, so now that the new filter has been installed, let's see. Are we getting any message? Water filter good. So it means it has detected the RFID chip on this replacement filter and everything is good. Let me test if we get some water also. So this is the new filter. Yeah, so it is working fine. Water is also flowing, so this is a success. Thanks for watching.